In this video, I will be showing you how to make a presentation on Chatgpt to Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I open Chatgpt and click directly into the text prompt bar at the bottom of the page. I paste my request asking Chatgpt to write a 5-slide presentation outline about time management for students, using clear headings and short bullet points for each slide. I then click the Send button to submit my prompt. As ChatGPT processes the request, it generates a complete outline covering a title slide, an introduction slide defining time management, common time wasters, effective tips, and key takeaways. I scroll up and down the page to review the entire outline and ensure all essential topics are covered. Next, I click back into the prompt box and ask ChatGPT to turn this into a ready-made Canva presentation design. Once submitted, ChatGPT generates a complete design layout structure with theme ideas, color palettes, font suggestions, slide layouts, and design tips. I scroll down, highlight the text, right-click, and click Copy. Now, I switch over to Canva. I head to the top left corner of the screen and click the Create button. From the drop-down menu, I select Presentations and choose the Standard Presentation option to launch a clean, blank canvas. In the left panel under the Design tab, I click the search bar at the top labeled Describe Your Ideal Design. I paste the copied text from ChatGPT, click Generate, and select Presentation. Canva AI begins building the slide deck. Once ready, I preview the generated slides in the side panel and click Apply all 5 pages to load them onto my canvas. With all slides loaded, I click the text box on the title slide to check the formatting, then click through the slide thumbnails at the bottom to inspect every page. Next, I click the Present button at the top right to enter full screen presentation mode, clicking through all 5 slides to confirm the visual flow. Finally, I return to the editor view and click the Share button at the top right corner. I select Download from the menu, click the file type dropdown to change the selection from PDF to PPTX, and click the purple Download button to save the presentation file to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make presentation on ChatGPT to Canva.